Hello everyone! I'm Clara, leader of the line team. This is Daniel, Arina, Katie, Julia, and Alex. Today we are going to show you how to make a delicious sandwich. First one, do you know sandwich? It is very famous and delicious food. It's not only delicious but also easy to make. Now we are going to show you how to make a delicious sandwich.
My sandwich we have ingredients like lettuce, sausage, fried egg, and slice of bread. You have to use sauce like mayonnaise or ketchup. Cook the sausage inside a spoon to season to its flavor and let's prepare the lettuce. The lettuce you add warm and fresh to your sandwich. Lay a layer of bread on whole bread. Add the cooked egg, sausage, lettuce, and flavored sauce.
It's very easy, right?
Give of a better sandwich. That's bread awesome. Especially bacon bread. Can every your sandwich is which is similarly too. You can with a malwatering sandwich. I love to your steak. It's all tight and enjoy in this the delicious answer.
And now let's take some. It's very delicious. What do you feel?
It's very amazing.
What about you? So, that's the end of our video. Thank you for watching.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.